The Alliance for Financial Inclusion was founded with a crystal clear mission to address the global challenge of financial exclusion by creating policies which bring financial services to the world's unbanked. While developing and implementing these policies, we have become increasingly aware of linkages between financial exclusion and climate change impacts, and how the impacts of both are affecting the poorest the most. We've seen how low-income populations are disproportionately affected by climate, leaving them vulnerable to financial shocks and economic distress. But at the same time, it is clear that our financial inclusion policies are also an efficient tool in helping mitigate and build resilience against the negative impacts of climate change. Access to formal savings, insurance, credit, and adequate payment channels ensure that the most vulnerable populations are empowered to cope with climate change, reduce the climate-related risk to the financial system, and strengthen financial stability. This is inclusive green finance. In 2017, our members endorsed the Sharm el-Sheikh Accord on financial inclusion, climate change, and green finance, and a year later, launched the Inclusive Green Finance Workstream. Since then, we've made huge progress. 4 Ps of inclusive green finance: provision, promotion, protection, and prevention, to inform inclusive green finance policy development. Our Inclusive Green Finance Working Group now includes 60 members from more than 50 countries, and to date we have seen a total of 10 policy changes on inclusive green finance, 13 Maya Declaration commitments, and several in-country implementation projects already underway. In September 2022, we updated and recommitted to the Sharm el-Sheikh Accord on inclusive green finance. And together with our partners, our work on inclusive green finance is bringing real impact and improved livelihoods to the most vulnerable. By strengthening those that are most vulnerable, we are building more inclusive and resilient financial systems. Join us